Hello, my fellow mermaid. Are you ready for a mermazing adventure? Introducing the creative Zine. Now, this mermaid, I've got one of my flippers out of order. So rather than creating each day, which is what I usually do every May, mermaids every day, I had to think of something else to do. And we have this downloadable creative zine. The zine includes colouring in pages that you can finish. It's got colourful backgrounds that you can then use as inspiration for whatever you would like to create, to draw on top of. You can just enjoy the images that are inside the zine just as inspiration, just to fuel your drawing journey and just enjoy them as they are. You can just look at it on any mobile device or your computer, or you can print it. And depending on your printer, you can print on all sorts of different papers. You can print on sticker paper and create stickers. You can print on watercolor paper. Anything that you can put through your printer, you can then create on. The magazine also includes all of the mermaid prompts. This is the first digital download that I've ever done, I think. Yes, it is. Like this anyway. And if you decide to jump in for this journey, I thank you mightily because I want to do more of these. This was a lot of fun. Mermaid fun. Even if you don't like mermaids, you're still going to enjoy it because it's drawing and you love drawing. You can download it instantly at Davenport.com and really make a splash. And just remember, you're not just creative, you're mermazing.